Hey everybody, the holidays are here, and if you're searching for the perfect travel gifts that you can grab right now on Amazon, this is the guide for you. Today, I'm showing you Amazon finds for every budget, from stocking stuffers to long-lasting travel gear. Let's dive into the best holiday travel gifts of 2024. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. Hey everybody, with over 35 years of a combined travel experience as both a buyer and a consumer, I know what makes a travel product truly worth it. In this Amazon gift guide, I'm going to show you tried and true favorites at every budget. You're going to see some things that would be great stocking stuffers and are just kind of fun, and then we'll go up to some high quality travel essentials that are made to last. The products aren't just gifts, they're investments in stress-free, enjoyable travel. Happy shopping! For those that have been following our channel for a while, you know that the Luggage spinner is my favorite personal item wheeled case. This 18-inch spinner suitcase is ideal for compact travel, fitting perfectly in the overhead bin and under the seat. The smooth 360-degree maneuverability through crowded airports makes its compact size perfect for short trips, even up to 4 days. The Wrangler 18-inch upright suitcase is a rugged, compact choice for travelers looking for both style and durability. Designed for easy handling, it includes smooth inline wheels and a retractable handle for effortless maneuvering. We have used this particular bag for the past 3 years and have had zero issues. It's very lightweight, and even when fully packed, it's easy to put up into the overhead compartment. Next up is the Light Flight Backpack Duffel. I've done a packing demonstration on this recently. This is an amazing little bag. It offers a versatile design that easily transitions from backpack to duffel bag, so it's perfect for both daily use and weekend trips. It's lightweight, very durable. It features multiple compartments for organized storage, ensuring easy access to essentials on the go. It has one main cavity that packs just like a suitcase. It's so easy to pack. Love this bag. Next up is our Cotopaxi 28 Alpha. This is going to be a premium backpack, so this is more of an investment piece. This is a rugged, versatile travel pack designed for organized, minimalist travelers. The ingenious use of loops to keep the zipper from sliding out is a great security feature, and you do not even need to carry a lock. It's durable, water-resistant material, and clamshell opening provides easy access to well-designed compartments for clothing, electronics, and essentials. Comfortable shoulder straps and multiple carry options make it a reliable choice for both quick getaways and daily adventures. Two of my favorite features are the laptop case in the back, the hip belt, and the chest strap. It takes the weight off your shoulders and your back. A great bag. The 28-liter size makes it perfect for weekend trips and minimalist travel. This viral Amazon backpack is under $30, and it's praised for its practicality, features a suitcase-style opening that makes packing and organizing a breeze. With multiple compartments and a spacious interior, it's perfect for travel and daily use. It holds clothes, essentials, a laptop pocket, and its water-resistant fabric and durable design offer great value, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious travelers seeking convenience and style. This next backpack is near and dear to my heart. This is the Rangeland 18-inch backpack. This is the first backpack that I purchased specifically for budget airline travel. It's been perfect for meeting strict size requirements. It's compact yet spacious. It includes a dedicated laptop compartment and a convenient top pocket for my phone and other essentials. It's a great budget-friendly choice for organized travel without the worry of oversized luggage fees. Even though this bag is under $40, this is a very good quality bag. Ridgeland makes a wonderful line of products. You will recognize this bag from my International In-Flight Essentials video. It has lots of great pockets. The biggest part about this that I liked was that it's very lightweight. All of the zippers work very well. They're very toothy. They're not YKK, but they are of good quality. It does not have a dedicated laptop sleeve, but if your iPad comes in a case, you'll be more than happy with that. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch that video, and I will show you how to optimize the space in this bag. This size bag is really something. It's a workhorse in my luggage setup. Because of all the small pockets, it's a crossbody, it's lightweight. I can keep all of my identification, passport, in-flight essentials. Because it's crossbody, I can wear this bag, keep everything on me. So if I get up and go to the restroom, everything goes with me instead of leaving it in my airline seat pocket or in my seat. This bag is relatively new to my setup. It's under $20. I love this bag. It's a nylon bag, has multiple zippers, magnetic closure front pockets, 2 side pockets. It has a luggage trolley pass-through. I adore this bag. You can see the light interior. The handles are so unique. It has a crossbody, but the handle drop on the 2 handles, you can lengthen that. So you can put it over your shoulder. You can carry it as a, just over your arm. It's a wonderful bag. Here she is, my little puffer tote. I love this little puffer tote, the tactile feel of this tote. I love all of the pockets. I love the shoe compartment underneath. I love the trolley pass-through sleeve. I love the zippers, the lightweight of this bag, the cost of this bag. This is a fantastic personal item bag. You can get so much in here. Now the main opening, not a lot of pockets on the inside, but you can just stack packing cubes on top of packing cubes, cosmetic tote, fantastic. Again, not a dedicated laptop sleeve in this one. The final bag it's the level 8 18-inch carry-on spinner. I love the interior of this bag because it has 2 zip around sleeves instead of having the tie downs and then 1 zip around. This is a fantastic bag for under $200. Okay, let's get into some smaller items, more of the stocking stuffer items. This is a compressed sponge. Once you wet it, it becomes a full-size sponge. So that's great for travel, great for cleanup. This is my cooling blanket. You guys know this blanket comes with me everywhere. One side is cool, one side keeps you warm. I pack it in a pillowcase, so I carry it on as a pillow. Next up is my folding tray. You just put snap the snaps together on the 4 corners. It becomes a little tray. It packs flat. It keeps all your things organized in the hotel room, your keys, your wallet, your ID, your earrings, your change, all the things. This next item up is my dry bag. This dry bag is great for dirty clothes. It's great for things that get damp, to keep them off of your regular items in your suitcase. This is a fun little thing. This is a fan. Not only is it a 2-speed fan, but it has charging ports and it has a flashlight. Speaking of flashlight, who doesn't need a flashlight? We need a flashlight in our purse, in our bag, beside our bedside table. It's just a very nice thing to have on hand. I even keep one in my essentials bag. This is a hero clip. This can clip on any bag. It can clip on a handbag, a backpack, a shopping bag, and then what it does is it allows you to hook that item onto the seat back, the tray table, a dining table. Very handy. I've used it several times in international bathrooms where they don't have hooks on their doors. Give someone the gift of quiet and peacefulness. This is a headband. I use it as an eye mask. It has 2 speakers on either ear, so you can listen to meditation, to a devotion, to music. It is wonderful, especially to sleep when you're away from home. You all know my ongoing issue with trying to find the perfect toiletry bag. Well, this toiletry bag is in the running because it's compact and it has multiple compartments that are actually useful. Some toiletry bags have compartments that you can't really use. I love this one. I love the bright color. I love the zippered compartment. I love the waterproof compartment. The Bag Smart large cosmetic bag offers ample storage with multiple compartments to keep makeup and toiletries neatly organized while traveling. Its water-resistant material and convenient top handle make it a durable, travel-friendly choice for beauty essentials on the go. We use this bag when Wayne and I pack our toiletries in the same bag. Because of the size, it's really too much for a single person, or at least someone who packs like me, but for a couple or a family, it is ideal. This is super fun. This is a sling for your water bottle and your cell phone. If you're getting a gift for someone who likes to take tours and walk around hands-free, this is the perfect gift for them. It's lightweight, so it would be really inexpensive to ship. Tiny but mighty, this little microfiber towel has come in handy so many times to wipe up spills, to act as a tray table cover, to act as a placemat in a not so ideal picnic table. Wonderful. Isn't this the cutest little nightlight you've ever seen? We take this on every trip, and it's usually put in the bathroom. Talk about a practical present. This packable backpack has so many uses. We always put one in our carry-on bags, whether we use it for picnic items or for shopping. If we go to the grocery store and they charge for bags, if you have this bag, you just put your groceries inside this bag and you're good to go. Something for everyone, whether you are a stacker or a packer. Those that like to stack their clothes will use a packing folder, and those that like to pack their clothes will put them in the compression cubes. You're sitting in an airport waiting on your flight and you're tired of holding your phone. Well, this comes in handy. You clip your phone to this, and then you attach this to your upright suitcase handle, and that holds your phone for you, allowing you to watch movies and television shows at an eye level that is comfortable for you. Who doesn't love multiple textile colored pouches? I love pouches. They help me keep organized. So here are just a few of the ones I like. I like the exterior of this one and the next one because it's kind of a slick nylon, and so it wipes off easily. And then the little organizer pouches on the inside just make me happy. This one's fun because it's multicolored, but it's also mesh, so you can see through it. Bum bag, belt bag, fanny pack, however you call it, it's amazing. It is a workhorse. Always keep at least one on every trip. If you have a hard time sleeping, if you are going to be staying somewhere that might be a little noisy, if you are traveling with a baby, this sound machine will be ideal to help you get some good rest. A portable speaker is always a great idea, whether you're listening to a podcast in your room or you're listening to music by the pool or on the beach. Whether you journal or you just need to leave a note for someone, a notebook and pen is always a good idea. Have you seen this packable tote before? This small, lightweight tote holds so much. It's a minimal investment to make your life so much easier. This travel utensil set goes everywhere with me. Whether the takeout people forget to put the utensils in there or I drop my fork, it's always handy. So what do you get the cruiser, the honeymooner, the vacationer who has everything? You get them a packable pool float. Mic drop. While we are talking about cruisers and maybe people who go to all-inclusives, we have to mention this cup. If you go to an all-inclusive where beverages are included, take this insulated cup. Save yourself multiple trips to the bar by having this filled once instead of going up 3 and 4 times. This is a random thing, but it is a hot brush. It's kind of a straightener, but it runs on a USB charge instead of a plug-in. So it makes it easy to use. You don't have to worry about a converter, an adapter, simple. Talk about a gift that keeps on giving, the Turkish towel. The Turkish towel gets softer the more you wash it. It is so versatile. It's a beach blanket. It's a cover-up. It's a poncho. It is a table covering for a picnic. It is a shawl. It keeps you warm in the airport. It is stylish. It is cool. Get you a Turkish towel and give them as gifts. Okay, let's talk electronics. The main thing about your electronics is keeping them organized. So you're going to want to get one of these small organizers to keep them organized. Spend the money on good quality products. The Anker brand, Anker, is the brand I use the most. I have tried the inexpensive ones and they always end up failing me. The connectivity gives out. They just don't do the job. So invest in that. This is a portable charger. You plug this into the wall to charge it. It has the plugs attached to it, so you don't have to keep extra cords. It's simple. Put it in your bag and go. This is a power brick, again by Anker, retractable prongs, so it goes in and out of your bag easily. You can connect a USB-C and a traditional USB-A plug. Again, the products you buy are important. This one has 3 different plugs on the end, a lightning, a USB-C, and a micro USB. So you can pack several cords or you can just pack this one. This is a portable charger for your iPhone. If you're traveling around and you just need a quick charge, this not only is lightweight, but it charges it quickly. If you have the newer iPhones, you will need to get the USB-C plug instead of the Lightning. This bag comes in so many different styles, colors, configurations, but the bottom line is you need a lightweight belt bag that has at least 2 compartments, one for all of your in-flight essentials or your everyday carry, and another one that's closer to your body for maybe your phone and your passport. Isn't that amazing? That little teeny tiny towel turns into a full-size washcloth as soon as you wet it. That's a great stocking stuffer, by the way. And then my little portable charger slides right into my belt bag. This definitely falls into the category of not absolutely necessary, but oh, how wonderful it would be to have one of these. Stress-free travel is born out of organization. I'm a firm believer if there's a place for everything, then your mind is cleared up to relax. Have you tried merino wool? I use Merino Protect. I think it's a good product. I can get it on Amazon. I will say that they run small, so please size up at least 1 or 2 sizes, but they don't hold odor. They dry quickly. They wash up beautifully. I would recommend Merino Protect, especially for travel. I saved this for last because it is something that is a little more expensive. It may not seem practical, but it depends on how much value you place on sleep when you are traveling international long-haul flights. I put a high value on that. This is the turtle pillow. It wraps around your neck and it has a firm insert that supports your neck when you lean over to sleep. Combine that with an eye mask and enjoy a good night's sleep. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this Amazon gift guide makes your holiday shopping easier. Remember, these items are just a click away, so you can focus on enjoying the season. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more budget travel tips and guides. Happy shopping and have a wonderful holiday season. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this